Why is it supposed to be rainy today? Oh, my purse!
Oh my gosh, it's so rainy.
I know. That's why we gotta stay under this big umbrella.
Are you sure? I'm just gonna go out in the rain. We can touch and paddle. Hey, do you guys like my dress?
Yes, I do.
I got everything from like Walmart, I think. My boyfriend did them. Cute. I love him. My boyfriend got me all the stuff from the mall.
Ooh. He got my shoes from the Mall of America, and they were $20,900.
My necklace.
This purse, just for my boyfriend, it was like $1,000. And then he bought the rest of the entire outfit for like $1 billion.
And then my boyfriend bought me this belt for $2,980, and then everything else.
Okay.
9,000.
This is going to be some technical difficulties because we are going to change heads with the dolls. If you see a different head on this one's
Or this
dress,
one?
or that one, or
Whatever.
one.
That one.
Ow. That's just a different head, okay? Okay. I want your head.